Okay, in today class, we are going to discuss about Auth authentication. Okay, first of all. Then after, we can look into Postman tool, then after scripted REST API. Okay. So first of all, so if it is a at the Auth authentication, it is a Auth authentication. Okay, so we have to create a inbound Auth authentication and outbound Auth authentication. Okay, we have to create a inbound Auth authentication and outbound Auth authentication. So where we have to create inbound Auth authentication, whoever providing their API details, that person is from a inbound integration. And inbound Auth authentication also we have to create in their system. So for example, this instance dev 88455 instance is from Ramakrishna instance, right? So he is the inbound integration. His system is inbound integration. Our Servicenow training system is outbound integration. Okay. Inbound integration, inbound Auth authentication we have to create in Ramakrishna instance. Now I'm going to Ramakrishna instance Auth. Under system Auth, we have application registry. Under system Auth, we have application registry. 2.0. Under system, under system, right? We have application registry. Saving it. Okay. Yes. So this is application registry. Table name is Auth underscore MT. Now you can click here. Now I'm going to create a new Auth inbound Auth profile. I'm clicking here. So here you can see, here we have different links are there. For inbound Auth authentication, we have to click on a first link. Create an Auth API endpoint for external clients. We have to use this one. Okay. Inbound Auth profile. So you have to click on this link. Create an Auth API endpoint for external clients. Okay, you have to click on this link. Now I'm clicking on this link. When you click on this link, it will create a client secret, client ID automatically. So here I'm keeping dev, our training instance details I'm keeping here. Okay, dev 59207. For remembering, I'm keeping like this. And I'm saving it. You don't require to do anything here. You just giving name. You just giving name. Okay. So client ID and client secret will automatically generate. Client ID and client secret will automatically generate. This is client secret and this is client ID. Okay, will automatically generate. So here you can see refresh token lifespan, access token life. Okay, if you want, so if it is a Auth authentication, okay, so REST message will generate a access token and refresh tokens. Okay, refresh token time span is 100 days. Access token lifespan is 30 minutes. So once you connected to other system, once you connected to this system, especially this inbound system, so you are able to access this instance only for 30 minutes. Then after again, we have to provide the authentication. Then only you are able to access again after 30 minutes. Okay, got it? For every 30 minutes, you have to provide the authentication details. Got it what I'm saying? Yes. So generally you can see Auth client application details, name, a unique name we have to provide. Client ID automatically generated by Servicenow server. Client secret also automatically generate refresh token. The time in seconds, the refresh token will add it, valid access token. Time in seconds, access token will valid. Redirect URL. So, okay, the redirect URL authorization, server redirect to, they must be absolute URL and they are comma separated. Okay, we don't require all this. So these are the very, very important one. Note down. Okay, perfect. I will say in here we already written right. I'm simply copying here. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is inbound Auth profile. Client ID, client secret will automatically generate. And here you can also note down the refresh token lifespan. Refresh token lifespan. Okay, 100 days. It's 100 days. Access token lifespan is 30 minutes. Okay, in interviews they will ask what is the default refresh token lifespan? What is default access token lifespan? 30 minutes, that is 100 days. Okay, perfect. Yes, we have successfully created. We have successfully created inbound Auth profile in Ramakrishna's instance. Now I'm going to our training instance. Okay, you can also come here. See, Auth 2.0 OAU TH Auth. Okay, under system mode we have application registry. Okay, yes. Now I'm clicking on new. So we have to create an outbound Auth profile in our training system. So where you have to click here, connect to a third party Auth provider. Connect to a third party Auth provider. Okay, you have to. Mr. Reddy, please pick up the. We have to connect to a third party Auth provider. Okay. Yes. Now, 1 minute, guys. I'm getting some call. Guys, keep on hold for 2 minutes. Okay, I have some emergency call. Okay, so if you want to create, outbound Auth profile. You want to create outbound Auth profile. You have to click on this link. Okay. You have to click on this one. Next. Yes, I'm clicking on this link now. There, 99207. Dev 59207. So here you can see client ID and client secret. Client ID and client secret. Okay. Now you can, so here you have to provide a client ID and client secret, which is generated in inbound Auth profile, Now I'm going to Ramakrishna's instance. Here we have Auth profile. So first of all, I'm copying client ID here. Copy. You can paste it here. Okay. You can paste it here. Next, client secret. So I'm copying this client secret. Okay. I'm pasting here. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes, client ID and client secret, we have to copy from the inbound Auth profile. Yes, I have copied. Next, token URL. Here we have token URL. We have to provide token URL format. Yes. Then come here. Don't see. Token URL format. Auth underscore token dot to question mark. Token dot to question mark. Token dot to up to here is fine. Okay. This is token URL. Where is, you can come to outbound Auth profile. So yes, I'm providing token URL. So in interviews, they will ask all these questions. What is token URL format and all? Okay. You have to answer. I'm saying instance name here. Okay, perfect. Saving it. Next. So we can also note it down this client ID, client secret, refresh token, authorization URL. We don't require authorization URL. So maybe up to here, we can note down. Next. Yes. Maybe up to here is fine. Okay, these are the details we have to provide. So you can say client ID of application registered in the third-party Auth server. Okay, here our third-party application is that one, Ramakrishna Servicenow instance. Okay, we have to bring client ID and client secret from that. Next, refresh token lifespan. Time in seconds, the refresh token will be valid. Token URL, Auth server's token endpoint. This is the token URL format. Okay, I'm saving it. Yes, so I hope I have provided all the details here and I'm saving it. Okay, I'm saving it. Yes, we have successfully created Auth profile. Okay, the creation of Auth profile is completed. Till now, if you have any queries, please ask me. Till now, you have any queries? No, that's fine. Yes.
మనం చేసిన దాంట్లో 2-side authentication అనే ఒక చెక్ బాక్స్ ఉందండి.
Yeah, that means, so if you click on my mutual authentication, right?
Yeah.
Yes, if you click on mutual authentication, you have to get authentication from our system and third-party system. Okay.
అంటే అది బేసిక్ దాంట్లో కూడా ఉంది కదా.
Yes, it will be there in basic also. Okay, if you click there, you have to get the authentication from our system and the other system. Okay. Yeah, so generally I haven't used that option till now. I worked for multiple integrations, but I haven't used that option. Okay. Yeah. Next, now I'm yes, authentication created successfully, inbound Auth authentication and outbound Auth authentication profile. Now I'm closing this. All 1 minute. This is Ramakrishna's instance. Yes, I'm going to here. I'm going to rest message. Okay. Under system web services, we have outbound. Under outbound, we have REST messages. We already developed REST messages. I'm simply changing the authentication. You can come here. So you can change authentication to Auth 2.0. Okay, you can create dev 59207. Is it? Wait. So here we can provide their name. Okay. Instead of this, dev 88455. Okay. I'm saving it. Now we can come to the rest message. Dev. Yeah, it's okay. It will automatically change once we save. Okay. So you can see dev 59207 default profile. So actually, even if we change this name, the profile is created with this name. Okay. I think yes, it is editable. You can also change here. Double L. Save it. Perfect. Now you can come and refresh this REST message, then we'll see the difference. Okay. Yes. Whenever you have provided Auth authentication here, you can see at the top, Auth access or refresh tokens are not available. Verify the Auth configuration and click the get Auth token link below to the request a new token. Okay, here we have to click on a get Auth token. Yes, now I'm clicking on get Auth token. Now it is connecting to Ramakrishna's instance, the third party instance. And here we have to provide the third party instance credentials. Then we have to click on get Auth token. So even the URL is showing the our instance URL, but here you have to provide the credentials, the third party instance credentials. Okay, I'm clicking on get Auth token. So if the authentication is successful, then it will create a Auth token. Okay, access token. Yes, successful and closing it. Okay, you can see Auth refresh token is available and will expire on this date. That means from today onwards, 100 days it is showing. Okay, perfect. Access token is generated successfully. Now you can come and open a default get. Remaining process is same. Okay, remaining process is same. Okay, now you can test it. You will get 200. The remaining process is same. We just changed authentication only. You can see here we are getting one incident record details 7001. Okay, perfect. Next, maybe I'm going to post method. Wait, I'm closing this. I'm going to post method that is create. Yes, you can come here. And yes, here already details are there. You can test one incident record will be created in Ramakrishna's instance. You can see a record number ends with 10017. You can come here and you can check in Ramakrishna instance. Okay. Where is reload option? Refresh list. You can see created or not. Testing post method. Okay. Just now created. So like remaining methods also same. I'm just copying side of this record and closing it. Next I'm going to put and patch methods also. Okay. Update. I'm simply changing the sysID of record. Okay, sysID. So now I can simply test it. Okay, these details will apply. Database, welcome to integrations. Now it should be testing post method and hardware. Okay, when we do this, so details will change to database and welcome to integrations. You can come and refresh the list. You can see that incident details got changed. Okay, got it? Yes. Next, patch method also I'm testing it. Patch. That means modify. I'm simply changing the sys ID here. Okay, you can see. Hello patch software. Say 200. Now you can come here and you can refresh the list. That incident details got changed. You can see hello patch software. Okay, perfect. Next, delete also can find. Delete. Simply changing the sys ID. Save. Okay, 204. That means no content. You can come and refresh that 10017 instant will not available. The refresh list. Okay, got it? Yes or no? Perfect.
Yes,
Okay, yes, we have tested Auth authentication with REST message. Any queries here? Any queries here? Yes. So, when I attend TCS interview, they asked about what is application registry. They asked a question like, what is application registry? Okay, got it. So, what is application registry? What we will do with application registry? Generally, we'll create a Auth authentication, right? Yes, we'll create a Auth authentication. So at that time, I said application registry is for creating a event. That is wrong actually. At that time, I don't remember, and I'm new to Servicenow, I hope. Okay. So please, so you can see creation of event, that is registry. For creating an event, you have to go for registry module under system prop. 1 minute, 1 minute. REGIST. Wait. Registry. Yes, under system policy, we have registry for creating a event. Okay, under system policy, we have a registry. This is for creating a event. Okay, and under system Auth, we have application registry. This is for creating a Auth profile. Got it? So in interview, they have asked, yes, their question is straightforward, but I have confused a little bit at that time. Okay, so keep in mind. So registry, under system policy, we have registry is used for creating a event. Under system Auth, application registry is used for creating a Auth profile. Okay, got it? Yes or no?
yes,
Okay, perfect. Yes. So still now we have discussed about REST message, SOAP message with basic authentication and Auth authentication. Okay. So generally, in real time, so if we get any integration project, and if you want to test that integration before you are developing in our ServiceNow instance, okay. If you get any integration project in real time, you want to test that connections and all before you are developing that logic into your system. Okay, we have a third-party integration tool. That is Postman. This Postman tool is helpful for doing REST. Okay, REST integrations testing. Okay, and for SOAP, we have SOAP UI tool. For SOAP, we have SOAP UI tool. Okay. Yes, there are two tools really helpful for testing a integrations. Okay. Yes, we will note down this. Postman tool is used to test the integrations, REST integrations. Okay. So UI tool is used to test the SOAP integrations. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes, perfect. So how to install Postman tool? How to install Postman tool? Now you can come to this browser. Postman tool for 1 minute. Postman Google Chrome extension. You can say here Google Google Chrome EXTENSION. Okay, you have to type here Postman Google Chrome extension. You can enter. Yes, you can go to the first link only. You can go to the first link only. Okay. Yes, in the extensions, Postman tool is appearing. Okay. In the extensions, Postman tool is appearing. So I already installed the Postman tool. That's why for me it is showing launch app. Launch app. Okay. For you, it will show add extension. For you, it will show add extension. Okay, got it. You have to click on add extension. Then Postman tool extension should be added to your Google Chrome. Then after the Postman tool will download and install. Then after you have to click on launch app. If it possible, if anybody please share your screen, we can install this app into your laptop today. Anybody interested? So tell me quickly. Ramakrishna?
Okay.
Yeah, you can share your screen. I'm stopping my screen share. Okay. Yes, you can start our screen share quickly.
Yeah, I have to click on enter screen sharing.
Yes, maybe. Yes, you can go to Google Chrome. Yes, Postman Google Chrome extension. You can type Postman Google Chrome extension. Yes, Postman Google Chrome. That's fine. You can enter. Yes, you can open first one. So here you can see for you, it is showing add to Chrome. Yes, you can click on add to Chrome. Yes, add app. You have to click on add app. Wait. Yes, you can click on Postman. So here you can see we have Postman. Yes. Open anywhere. Yes. Launch app. You can click on launch app. Yes. Then Postman tool is opening in your laptop. Yes. Yes. So here, if you have already Postman tool account, you can log in with your email ID, username, and password. Okay. If you don't have, okay, you have to sign up. If you don't have, you have to sign up. Or if you are okay, you can sign up with your Google account. That's fine. Maybe you can click on sign up with Google. Ramakrishna. Yes.
Yeah, Anji, it is opening in another tab.
Yes. Sign up for free. You can click on sign up for free. Okay. It is asking you to create a Postman account. Yeah, you can create. You can provide your email ID, username, and password. Then you can click on create free account. Maybe username you can provide.
Tell me, Anji.
Yeah, maybe you can provide us same email ID. Then you will easily, maybe you can copy paste. Create account. Okay, fine, that's fine. Yeah, it is asking something, your name, your, what is your role? Role. Developer. Yeah, maybe back, that's fine. Yeah, you can give backend developer, continue. So invite people where it's not required. Continue without, continue without team. You can click on continue without team. Yes. You can close. Welcome to this close. Okay. Yes. Here you can see, here we don't require to add workspace and all. You can click on plus icon. So you can, under my workspace, we have plus icon, right? Yes, you can click there. Yes, perfect. Okay. Now, yeah, you can give me access. So I will add the endpoint and all.
Yeah, okay, Anji.
So
Shall I stop my screen sharing
yeah, then you can stop. I will explain in my system then. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible? Yes. Once you logging into your system, your Postman tool, the screen will be visible like this. The screen will be visible like this. Okay. So for example, I'm trying to connect to our training instance. Okay. I'm trying to connect to our training instance. So I'm copying it. So I'm going to Postman tool, Postman tool. Okay. API/now/table/table incident. Okay, table incident. Yes. Next here you can say I'm going to authentication. Basic. I already provided the details here. Okay. Headers. So I'm saying content type. Content type is application/JSON. Okay, application/JSON. Accept application/JSON. Okay. Yes. Now this is a get method. You don't require to give the body or whatever it is. You can simply send. Okay. You will get entire instance data from our training instance. You can see I'm copying this response. I'm copying this response body. I will paste you in the online JSON editor. then we will easily identify how many records we received with that response. Okay, perfect. Yes, then copy. So how many records we received? Almost 138 records. Okay, 138 records. Now you can come here. I'm closing this now. We don't require. So now you can come to incident. Okay, and you can check whether we have 138 records or not for confirmation. Okay, so you can see we have 138 incidents or not. Tell me, guys. Yes, we have 138 incidents. Okay, we have received all the incident details here. Okay, next, I will also show you post method. I'm copying same URL. Post method. Not this time I'm taking post. Okay, authentication basic, headers, content type and accept. Online, what happened here? App application / JSON. Okay, you can go to body. So here I'm selecting raw and I'm selecting JSON. Okay, here I'm providing 1 or 2 fields details, maybe category. So I'm providing software, maybe short description I'm providing. Short description. Okay. Yes. Welcome to Postman. I'm saying something. Welcome to Postman. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'm providing only these 2 values. Now I'm sending it. Now you can see one instant record is creating in our training environment. Created. The record number ends with 10104. You can come and check here. You have that record or not. Record number ends with 10104. Yes, welcome to Postman tool, and it is created just now. And category software. Okay, got it? Yes. So guys, recently I get some integration related requirement. Okay. At that time, content type, they have provided this format. Content type, they have provided this format. Okay. Content type, they have provided this format. This X hyphen, www hyphen, form hyphen, URL encoded. This format they have provided content type. Yes, I have used that format only, the REST message. But I'm sending request body, this one, but I'm sending this request body in JSON format. Okay, I have forwarded this request body in the JSON format. So every time we get 500 issue, 500 HTTP status. Okay, because of they have provided different content type. So I have provided JSON format simply. So almost guys, we tried for 1 week. Almost partially we tried for 1 week. Actually, this is not my requirement, my sister's requirement. Okay. Yes, I remember that. So whatever the content type they have provided, so we have to pass a data in that format only from the request body. I remember that. But I missed that point. I missed that point whenever I'm doing that integration. Okay. Yes. I also checked for community in Google. I don't know why I missed that point. Finally, we got 500 error. Okay. So we tried and I have connected with my friends, my colleagues. they also some of them they also not provided proper solution. Okay, finally, so I went to Google and type, so convert JSON data to this format data. Yes, I have converted, and then I passed the data in this format. Finally, that's worked. Okay, sometimes we miss this simple
Small
tricks.
minute point.
Yeah, small tricks. Okay, for this I have communicated with many persons. I have connected Zoom meetings with my colleagues, friends, even my sister, colleagues, friends. Finally, so we itself resolved the issue. Okay. So
Yeah.
you can see, so whenever some integration requirement came to you, what kind of data they are looking for. Maybe somebody will give you XML. Somebody, we have here, you can see here itself we have different formats. Applications like JavaScript, JSON, XML, text, HTML. Okay, based upon the content type they provided here, you have to send the data in that format only. Okay, you remember this point. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, you can see, I will also show you one update method. Okay, I will also show you one update method. That means put or patch. Yeah, maybe I'm taking put. You can try patch, basic, headers, content type. Slash JSON. Accept. These are the default headers. So maybe in the organizations, when I worked for Servicenow company, there I worked for integrations. Okay, my integration there, I did integration like Servicenow to, we have Marketo tool. Marketo tool name is Marketo. Servicenow to Marketo tool integration. Okay, and I also did Servicenow to D365 tool integration at that time. Okay, so there we have some integration user interfaces are there. Anybody idea about MuleSoft, Delbumi? Any idea about, anybody listen these keywords fast?
MuleSoft విన్నా కానీ ఐడియా
Yes,
లేదండి.
it's okay, it's okay. So basically I remember only those two tool names used for integration interfaces. Okay, for example, I will tell you how it will work. Now what we did in our training, so we have connected our training instance to Ramakrishna instance. Okay, got it. So basically here communication is direct. Okay, so if we use integration interface, so our request will go to the integration interface. From there, the request will go to the Ramakrishna instance. Even response also should be like that only. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, I will explain in Telugu. Wait. So ఇప్పుడు two systems ఉన్నాయి. Servicenow instance 1, Servicenow instance 2. ఓకే, మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే Servicenow 1 నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా డేటాని Servicenow 2 కి సెండ్ చేసేస్తున్నాము. ఓకే, ఇంకా మధ్యలో మీడియేటర్స్ ఏమీ లేదు. సో ఈ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డెల్బూమి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఈ రిక్వెస్ట్ అనేది డైరెక్ట్ గా సెకండ్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ కి రీచ్ అవ్వదు. ఎలా ఉంటదంటే ప్రాసెస్, ఫస్ట్ మన Servicenow ఇన్స్టాన్స్ 1 నుంచి రిక్వెస్ట్ వెళ్ళి డెల్బూమికి వెళ్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డెల్బూమి ఇంటర్ఫేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తే డెల్బూమి నుంచి ఇన్స్టాన్స్ 2 కి కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఎస్, మళ్ళీ రెస్పాన్స్ కూడా అంతే. ఆ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ 2 నుంచి డెల్బూమికి రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది, డెల్బూమి నుంచి మనకి రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది ఇన్స్టాన్స్ 1 కి. గాట్ ఇట్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్?
అంటే లైక్ ఏ మిడ్ సర్వర్ అండి ఒక.
Yeah, so mid server is that is our internal thing. Mid server is okay. For example, in our instance 1, if we are using mid server, okay, if we are using mid server, whatever the data is coming to our ServiceNow instance, flowing from our ServiceNow instance, it will go via mid server only. There it will validate the data. If everything is fine, then only it will send out from our instance and receive to our instance. Got it? Yes.
Okay.
Yes, they even you can see with mid server if you use integration interface. Okay. First of all, when you are trying to send some request to instance to, if we have mid server, first of all, it will go to the mid server. That request will go to the mid server. There it will validate the data. If everything is fine, then it will send it to the integration interface like Delboomi. Okay. Yes. From Delboomi to another instance will receive the request. Then after response, from instance to response will come to the Delboomi. From Delboomi to response will come to our instance one. So once the response will come to the instance one, it won't allow directly communicating our target tables here. Okay. First of all, it will go to the mid server. There it will validate the data and it will check for the, it will do the security checks. If everything is fine, then the response will come to the our target table. Got it? How the process is?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Yes, now here I'm doing put method. 1 minute, I'm copying this instance is ID. Okay. I'm pasting here slash sysid. Perfect. Okay. Now we can come. So I'm going to body. Here I have to send some data. Raw, I'm selecting raw JSON. I'm only trying to change show short description. Short description. Welcome. Postman by put method. I'm saying something like this. Maybe you can also change category. Database. Network I'll take maybe. Okay, network. You can send it. The data will change there. You can see 200 success message. You can come and refresh here. Yes, changed or not. Categories, network, and short is also changed. Okay. In the Postman tool, like this, we will test. Postman tool will test like this. Whatever the API they have provided. So here we tested with only ServiceNow APIs. Okay, whatever the APIs they have provided, you can see. So previously I have tested with the different APIs. Yes, this is some different API. This is some different APIs. Okay, some real-time APIs, for example. So you can see this is some different API. Okay. Yes. Something EUCE1. That is some different API. Yes. Okay, guys. Yes, this is about Postman tool. In interviews, they will ask. So if we get integration project, so in where you do the initial checks, you have to do initial checks within the Postman tool only. Okay, this is a third party integration testing tool, you can say. Okay, perfect. I'm closing Postman. We don't require now. Close window. Yes, we also discussed about Postman. Next, you can see, guys. Yes. Okay, we have provided Auth authentication. We have provided basic authentication. All are fine. Now, I want to generate a Auth token. I want to generate a Auth token. Okay, by using script. Okay, I want to generate a Auth token by using script. Okay, generally, I haven't used this script throughout my real-time experience, but maybe you will get requirement whenever you get a requirement like generating a access token by using the script. Okay, at that time, this script will helpful for you. I already noted that script in the notepad. Yes. So Control X. like save it. Scroll down. So in interviews, they will also ask one question. What is the difference between REST and SOAP? Okay, what is the difference between REST and SOAP? So you can refer to this URL. Okay. So basically, REST message, REST stands for Representational State Transfer Protocol. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. REST is used for REST contains the basic and OAuth authentications. SOAP contains only basic authentication. In REST, you can able to send any kind of data like JSON, that URL encoded, text, HTML, JavaScript, string, whatever the data you can able to send. If it is a SOAP, you can able to send only XML data. Okay, and REST contains HTTP methods, SOAP contains SOAP functions. Okay, like this. So you can go to this URL and it will helpful for you. So you can see the difference between REST and SOAP. Okay, maybe I will also take you the screenshot and I will send you in the notepad mail. Almost they have provided 10 steps. Okay. Maybe I already wanted to know REST versus SOAP. Okay, REST versus SOAP. I'm closing this URL. Okay, you can go to this URL and you can refer to this. This is very frequent question nowadays in interviews asking. Okay, nowadays in interviews, they are asking frequently this question. What is the difference between REST and SOAP? Okay, yes. Next, you can see Auth token URL. Okay, yes, Auth client. So simply what I will do, I'm copying this script to my background script and I will show you how the Auth token is generated. Copy. Now I'm going to background script. I'm going to background scripts. Yes, I'm pasting here. What is the Auth profile we have created here? We can go to the application registry. We have created outbound Auth profile, right? Yes or no? Yes. I want that name. This is our outbound Auth profile name. Copying it. You can paste it here simply. You can paste it here. Okay. And username is admin, password is training@123. That's fine. You can come here and you can run a script. I'm copying it. You can run a script. Okay. Yes. You can see. This is access token. This is access token created. Okay. The access token format should be like this. Got it, everyone? Created or not access token?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This step will helpful for you to create a access token. I'm copying this script. Pasting here. That's fine. Next, you can see I'm planning to do some integration by using this access token. Okay. Yes. I'm copying this script. I will paste it here. Simply, I will paste it here and I'm changing the instance ID. Okay. Which method it is? It is post method. Basically, it is post method. Okay. When I run this code, one incident record will be created in Ramakrishna instance. Okay. Yes, I'm running the script. Yes, 201 success. One incident record is created in Ramakrishna instance. You can see that incident number 10018. Okay, you can go to Ramakrishna instance and we'll check whether the incident is created or not. You can see what Govinda. Okay, fine. So you can see just now instant is created. Maybe in the description I kept something like Govinda. Okay. Maybe for yes, I have added something like this. That's why it is added. I'm copying this script, copying it. So again, I'm pasting here. I'm pasting entire code here actually. Okay, perfect. Any queries from this script? You can look into it for this script for 1 minute, maybe. Yes, you can look into it for the script for 1 minute. Okay, fine. Okay, perfect. Next, I'm going to scripted REST API. Okay. Yes, as of now, what you see, so you have used the table API, pre-built APIs, you can say. Okay. Now, if you want to create your own API, scripted REST API will helpful for us. Okay, scripted REST API will helpful for us. Okay, Control X. I already noted down the logic what I have explained here. So generally, this is a simple glide record operations only, and we will not use regularly. That's why even I don't remember to write in front of you. That's why I copied. Okay. Yes. Paste it here. So you can say what is scripted REST API? The scripted REST API feature allows application developers to build custom web service APIs. We want to build our own APIs. Yes, we have to use a scripted REST API. And scripted REST API is a inbound integration. Scripted REST API is a inbound integration. Here, as per our requirement, we can able to build our own APIs. Here we can able to build our own APIs. Okay. Next. The scripted REST API feature allows application developers to build a custom web service API. Custom web service API. You can define service endpoints, query parameters, and headers for a scripted REST API. Okay. For the scripted REST API, we have to define the endpoints, query parameters, and headers, as well as scripts to manage the request and response. We also need to develop a script is for sending a request and receiving a request. Scripted REST APIs generally follow the REST architecture. Okay, it will follow the REST architecture, but you can customize them to use different conventions. Can able to use this for different conventions. Okay, yes. Next. So what is the navigation for scripted REST APIs? Under system web services, we have scripted web services. There we have scripted REST API. Okay. What is the table name for scripted REST API? sys_ws_definition. Now I'm going to this navigation. First of all, I'm closing all the tabs here. Okay. Scripted REST API. Okay. So you can see under system web services, we have scripted web services. Under that, we have scripted REST APIs. Now we can come here and I'm trying to create a new scripted REST API. I'm creating a new scripted REST API. Okay. So I will say my custom API. So here I'm saying my custom API. So API ID also follows same my _ custom _ API. Now I'm saving it. This is a namespace, API namespace. Okay, this is base API path. It is so when you enter into scripted REST API form, you have to provide just name. Okay, and you can save, will automatically submit a record. Then you can come here once you save the scripted REST service. Then we have resources. So resources means HTTP methods only here. Okay, we have to provide HTTP method details here. So I'm going to create a new resource here. What I will say, 1 minute, it's loading. Wait. Get my data. I'm saying get my data. Get my data. Relative path. I'm saying retrieve. Retrieve. Retrieve incident data. Maybe I'm saying something like this. Retrieve incident. Okay. Get method. So here you can see. Here we have to write a logic. Simple. I already have logic. Okay. In this logic also we have some mistake. No worries, at least you will identify the path. Okay. Yes, I'm copying this code. I'm pasting here. Actually, it is not returning all the instance. It is returning only one instant record details. Okay, every time. Okay, that is the mistake from this logic. No problem. So maybe in future I will correct it and I will send you in WhatsApp this logic. Okay. I'm saving it. I'm saving it. That's fine. Scripted REST API is done. So you can see this is a simple glide record query operation. Simple glide record query operation. You already did this where new equal to new glide record of incident, add encoded query, body dot number equal to gr dot number, body dot state equal to gr dot state, something like this. Okay. This is a simple glide record query operation. Okay. I'm saving it. Now, how to use this API? How to use this API? Simply you can come. You can go to the REST API Explorer. You can go to REST API Explorer and you can use this API. Okay. Yes. Or you can go to the Postman tool and you can use this API. So here you have to change namespace. What is namespace here? 648183. Namespace is not now 648183. So API. So you can see it is automatically coming. My custom API. So get my data. Okay. Now you can send, you will get one incident details. Okay. 200 success message. You can see. You got one incident details or not. Here I'm retrieving only one incident details randomly. Okay, got it. So we have to prepare a logic for retrieving multiple incident details also. Got it, everybody? So you can say number we retrieve, state, category, short description, track. Yes or no? Yes. We want to use same by using the Postman tool. Open Postman tool. Yes. Open it. Yes. Close it. Then close it. So I'm clicking on plus icon here and wait. So this is our custom API actually. This is our custom API. Where it is? Yeah, here it is there. Okay, this is our custom API. Simply, you can use this. Copy. You can paste it here. Just provide the authentication details, basic authentication. Okay, you will get the data. Send. Okay, perfect. Yes, we have received one instant details. Any queries here? Any queries here? So you can see we have successfully received. Next 1 minute. I'm also copying the our custom endpoint details should be like this. Yes. Okay, this is ours. Next, I'm going to post method. Next, I'm going to post method. So step the rest get method. I'm going back. Okay, and I will create another resource. Wait. This is scripted REST service, and I'm creating another resource. This is data. Maybe here I'm saying create incident. I'm saying something like this. Okay. So method is post method. So this is glide record insert operation logic. The logic is same. Glide record insert operation. There glide record update, glide record query operation. Copying it and I'm pasting here. You can see simple logic. So you can see from this page, if you have any queries, please let me know. Any queries. So we have only these 2 lines extra. Remaining everything is same. Okay, guys, got it? Yes or no? So maybe here I will add something like this. Maybe I will add gr.number, then okay, I'm saving this. Okay, this is a glide record insert operation. I already mentioned this code. Any queries here? So you can say glide record insert operation only. Only these 2 lines of code is added extra. Okay, now you can come to the REST API Explorer. First of all, you can check that. Wait, it's loading. Namespace, this one. So we have 2 APIs. Post method. This is post method. Okay. I'm copying this URL first of all. Paste it. Now you can come here. This is some sample request file. I'm copying it. I'm sending here. Okay, the sample request file. Maybe in the raw itself, I'm directly pasting short description, color, category, priority, and impact. Not priority. Right? Instead of priority, we can provide urgency. Urgency. Okay. Short description, color. I'm saving it. Yes, here also I'm changing from priority to urgency. Urgency. Now I can come here, send it. Just scroll down. 200 success message. Instant is created. This is the instant created. Okay. I'm copying it. So you can go to the instant table. You can check whether instant is created or not. So you can instant is created 10105. But you can see short description is not populated. I have to check why. Okay. Oh my god. Color, short description. Even impact urgency also is not. Data is not populated, guys, actually. What's the mistake we did? Request body password. This is fine. This logic is fine actually, but the data is not processed perfectly. Okay, it's okay. Maybe I will try from Postman tool as well. Here is the step explorer. So simply I will copy this one. Copy. Okay. So I'm going to Postman tool. And this is a Postman. Okay. Authentication is basic authentication. And that's accept. Okay. Body also have to provide. I'm taking raw and JSON. I'll simply copy paste this one. Okay, I changed only instead of priority, I changed urgency. Okay, I will change that also. Pasting here. Stop priority. Urgency. Okay, you can send this. It will create a one instant. Yes. Created 10106. You can come and refresh here. This is great. Guys, data is not populating. Maybe I will check the code one more time in my free time and I will tell you what's the issue here going. Okay. Got it? But the method and logic should be correct only. I feel this is correct only. So I have to check why the data is not populating in the table.
Is there any error at the caller gr.caller set display?
No, we don't have. So if the error is from this line, what about this line? At least it has to populate this line side. So when I just copied this content from previous batch only. So there it is work, but here it is not working. I will check and I will tell you. Okay, in my free time. Okay, fine. This is so basically you can see how we have built the custom APIs. How we have built the custom APIs. Okay. This is the way we have to build a custom APIs whenever somebody asks our custom API instead of table APIs. Okay, next. From the integrations, pending thing is from the integrations pending is one real-time scenario. Okay. So here I have two scenarios. First one is create instant. Second one is display salary details. So basically I have two use cases. From that, I will only explain one use case in class as a real-time integration example. Okay, first one, create instant. As of now, what we did, from where we created instant, when you click on the REST message post method, test, then it is created instant in other system. Maybe in the background, whenever we execute a background code in the background script, instant is created in other system. Yes or no? Yes. In the real-time example, create instant. Whenever we create instant record in our system, we have to create instant record in other system. Okay. Whenever instant record is updated in our system, the instant record should be updated in other system. Whenever instant record is deleted in our system, the instant record should be deleted in other system. This is first example. Okay. Directly. So we will not from this time in the within this real-time example, will never go to the REST messages and all. Okay. So while you creating instant record from the instant form, okay, the instant record should be need to create in the another system, update in another system, delete in another system. We'll do this kind. Okay. And second example, for example, we have some HR related data table. We will create some HR data related table. We will mention name, email, phone number, salary. Okay. We'll keep this salary data in the another system, maybe Ramakrishna instance. Okay. So for example, we have user Sanji user, Abil Tutor user. Okay. Whenever Anji user opens his record, only able to see his salary. If he opens another Abil Tutor's record, salary need to display 0. In the list view also salary need to display 0. Got it? Second example అర్థమైందా అంటే ఏం లేదు జస్ట్ అంటే సాలరీ రిలేటెడ్ డేటా అని చెప్పేసి ఒక టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము. అనదర్ సిస్టమ్ లోనేమో సాలరీ పెడతాం 10,000 8,000 అట్లా. ఇక్కడేమో 0 చూపిస్తాము లిస్ట్ వ్యూలో ఫామ్ వ్యూలో. ఇప్పుడు అంజీ యూజర్ రికార్డ్ అంజీ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అతనికి సాలరీ కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ అది సేవ్ అవ్వదు. రామకృష్ణ అనే యూజర్ ఫామ్ లో ఓపెన్ చేస్తే సాలరీ కనిపిస్తుంది దానికి సేవ్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా? అంటే సాలరీని అక్కడ నుంచి వేరే సిస్టమ్ నుంచి తెచ్చుకొని ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తారు జస్ట్ యూజర్ కి. ఇది సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. So based upon your interest, I will explain any one of the integration concept, any one of the integration, real-time integration. So I feel this is better. First one is, this is basic one, right? Your wish, anything is fine. So based upon your interest, I will tell you one use case. Please decide one use case and we'll discuss in tomorrow class.
డిస్ప్లే సాలరీ డీటెయిల్స్ అయితే కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ అలా ఎక్కువ కవర్ చేస్తాం కదా.
If we like that, you want second use case?
I think so. Means
Okay,
అంటే
fine.
అది ఎక్కువ కవర్ చేసేలాగా ఉంది.
Yes. What about others? Bhumesh, Jayasri, Kasi. Based upon your interest, I will explain only one use case.
To go with second.
Okay, that's fine. Yes. Next, Bhumesh. Ramesh, Sai Krishna, Sangeeta.
Second one.
Yeah, that's
Go
fine.
ahead with second one, Anji.
Yes, tomorrow we are going to discuss about this like displaying salary details, right? Okay, perfect. I will explain this use case tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you all. So first of all, I will take attendance date.
In the salary details, could you please give how to do that incident also? Is it fine? Like a
Sorry.
orally.
No, that's what I'm saying, right? So basically, whatever the scripts we have copied to our notepad, so we'll keep that scripts in the business rules. Okay. And whenever, and we will map that data directly from our instant record, like current dot, short description, current dot description, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Then whenever we create an instant in our system, it will automatically go to the other system, and there it will create a instant record like that. Okay.
Okay, when we are doing this display, we will get a clear view of it.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe. Yeah. So both use cases are same only. You can say same. Okay. So this is some interesting one. Okay. That is we
When
are
we
doing
are,
regularly. Okay. The first one is that regular one. Okay.
yeah,
So
yes.
yeah, that's right. Thank you all. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. Guys, and one more thing is I will try to complete our training sections by Saturday. Okay. If anything is pending, we have to attend class on Sunday also. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yeah,
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's not like that. So if I have to complete class on Saturday, so కొంచెం కంటెంట్ తగ్గించి సాటర్డే క్లోజ్ చేయడం అట్లా కాదు. సో మాక్సిమం సాటర్డేకి అయిపోతుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అవ్వకపోతే సండే కూడా అవ్వకపోతే 1 or 2 క్లాసెస్ కూడా ఎక్స్ట్రా అటెండ్ అవ్వాల్సి ఉంటది. ఓకేనా? మే మంత్ లో. It depends upon the content we are discussing in the class. Okay.
Yeah. 1-2 పాయింట్లు ఎక్కువ తెలిసినా కానీ బానే ఉండేది కదా.
Yes. That's what even so this batch I haven't taken. I only taken 1 leave, I hope, and I have compensated, right? Or I haven't taken any leaves. I don't remember actually. But from the previous batch, I have taken many leaves. That's what for this batch I have concentrated a lot, and I have taken compensated classes for holidays, festival holidays. Okay. I'm so thankful to you for attending compensation classes on behalf of festival holidays. Thank you. Bye.
No mention.